Welcome back, viewers. Welcome back, Anmol. This is our episode number 51. 51.
Yes, finally.
पंडित जी को हम लोग 51 रुपए देते हैं, शुभ नंबर.
शुभ नंबर है, इसी बात पे आज शुभ टॉपिक के बारे में बात
शुभ
करेंगे, बड़ा
टॉपिक भी
इंटरेस्टिंग
करते
टॉपिक।
हैं एंड सो वी आर हियर एंड लाइक this time we'll talk something that is
वेरी इनक्रेडिबल।
incredible, very important for a country. We just last month only we got over with the elections. The results came. BJP won again, but not with as much margin. Congress
नॉट
did better
द
than
कैंपेन, नॉट पर एज पर द कैंपेन 400 पार।
not as expected. Congress did better than they could do. Overall, opposition performed very well. So we are not here to discuss the politics bit of it.
या
Anmol
दैट्स
and
अ
I,
डिस्क्लेमर, वी आर
we
नॉट
are
डिस्कसिंग पॉलिटिक्स हियर।
marketers. We love to discuss marketing. We are a big fan of Modi ji as far as marketing gimmicks are concerned. He's a master marketeer, and so he knows marketing. But this time, Anmol, something went wrong.
यस,
So
समथिंग वेंट रॉन्ग विद द मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज एंड इट
something went
ऑल
wrong
बॉयज डाउन टू
with
बेसिक्स।
BJP, and something went right with the opposition. They tried. I mean, obviously, the opposition was not really good at marketing. So this time, the underdogs performed better than expected. Right. So
दे
far,
डिड अ गुड कोर्स।
they did good course. So we are here to basically break it down, analyze uh, who did what and who did wrong, who did right. So like we always do. So Anmol, let's begin.
And again, for our audience, this is not a political podcast. This is not any political advice. We are not here to discuss wrong or right, but we
No,
are
right?
here to
Yeah.
discuss marketing.
We
Again,
have we do have our political opinions, but that is not here.
yeah,
We're not here to discuss that. We're not happy or sad for anything. We are a part of democracy, and this
yes.
is the game of democracy. It's fun to watch it. It's fun to be a part of it, and the beauty of
Yeah, even
democracy is that
you
nobody
would
can
love
be stay in
Ashwin's
power
conversation
forever.
when Ashwin starts talking about politics, because I remember the day we were having beer with one of our clients, and till night, 12 a.m. we were discussing politics. I
Politics.
was there sitting like this.
No, if you can. I mean, we can start a different podcast on politics, but no, that's yeah. It's good for chat over a beer, but it's not something we want to make a living out
Yeah,
of.
yeah.
Not our
So
cup of tea. But
yeah,
yes,
let's discuss
we
about it.
we we we, we observe it as outsiders, and we just like we observe cricket matches. Though it is fun to watch India win, but when the opponent team performs well, it is fun to watch them play as well. Same thing over here. We watch different parties perform, and there's the game of democracy. Like we said, every party is out there to outperform each other. They have different offerings for they are selling. Now, since we are talking marketing, so every party has its own selling point, right? BJP has its own selling point. Congress has its own selling point, and the various India Alliance and NDA over here, right now, where it was this time. So they had their own selling points, and who sold better? That is the question,
Yeah,
right?
that is the question, and we have already seen the results.
We have already seen the
Let's
results. Yeah. So
talk
who?
about this case study.
तो किसकी मूवी हिट हुई, किसकी मूवी फ्लॉप हुई, है ना? बॉक्स ऑफिस पे कितना किसका कितना हुआ. So
कैंपेन तो बहुत हिट था आपकी बार 400 पार।
आपकी बार 400 पार.
बट
I mean,
भारत जोड़ो यात्रा वाज नॉट आल्सो कम।
हाँ, Bharat Jodo Yatra performed campaign performed better than expected actually if you look at it
यस,
on both.
एग्जैक्टली।
Yeah,
इनिशियली व्हेन आई हर्ड अबाउट द कैंपेन, मैंने कहा यार ये क्या कर रहे
yeah.
हैं
If you
यार।
ask her, like even I was making fun of that Bharat Jodo Yatra, Bharat Nyaya Yatra, and everyone was talking, oh, there's wrong timing. You should be focusing on
And there were
election.
memes from BJP, if you see, when Rahul Gandhi was in Arunachal and people
Hmm.
were bashing him. Like there were so many memes, but then
So
again, it
all that jogging paid off. I mean,
yeah, all
yeah. I
that.
mean, there's a way to look at it also, Anmol. I mean, I was not a very good student at one point of time. I was like Rahul Gandhi only. Okay. And there is a Rahul Gandhi and there's a Narendra Modi in all of us, right? So I see. I have nothing against that guy. Like I kind of identify with him also sometimes. I kind of identify with Narendra Modi also sometimes. And I like. I feel both of them are not right or wrong. They all have their own perspective. They all both have their own vision for the country. Like both of us were saying just now, it's how you sell it to the people. It's about selling your idea. So who sold
Exactly.
it better? Yes. Now let's talk about what Rahul Gandhi did for this time. Was did he do very well? No, he didn't do very well.
Yes, they did very well actually.
I mean, if you look at it like from where they're coming, I mean, they're like I said, I mean, there was a time, Anmol, I used to fail in my class. You know, especially Hindi and all these subjects, I never performed well. But जब मैं क्लास 10th में आया, like मैं जुड़ गया काम में. अब मैं बोर्ड की बात है, तो कुछ तो करना है. And I somehow scored 64% in Hindi. Actually 68. And
Yeah, no, no.
Anmol, I went mad. I went mad. मैं खुशी से पागल हो गया. मतलब खुशी का ठिकाना ही नहीं था भाई. 68 हिंदी में 68 आ भी सकते हैं, है ना. And but I mean, my maths and science was good, so yeah, उसमें getting 90 in that not was not big deal. But Hindi में 68, I thought like मैं तो I'm the thing. And then first day in plus two, and I'm sitting beside a girl who's a Bengali, and मैं बोला यार बंगाली लड़की. माय मदर टंग इज हिंदी एंड शी इज बंगाली. ऑब्वियसली मेरा ऐसा तो बेटर ही होगा. एंड लाइक उसके सामने बोस्टिंग, आई गॉट 68 इन हिंदी. शी वाज लाइक 68. I got 84. I was like, मैं तुरंत उठ के अपना सीट चेंज कर लिया. So I was pretty much like Rahul Gandhi, जिसको कभी जिंदगी में पासिंग मार्क्स नहीं आए थे, and he got better than average. So that's what
Right, right.
Rahul Gandhi performed better than average, and yes, he's celebrating. बनता है उसका.
बिल्कुल
पिछले
बनता है
10
भाई,
10 साल
मेहनत
से
की है।
he was a matter of meme. उसकी negative marketing
यार
हो रही थी. It's the first
10
time
साल से काफी मीम मार्केटिंग हुई और अब वो उसके फॉर्म में चली गई.
फॉर्म में चली गई.
Because
एंड
everyone know who Pappu is.
yeah. So yeah, no, the where the credit is due, the man performed very well.
Yes.
Yes, if you look at there has been a paradigm shift in his image also. If you look at it, the way internet is reacting towards brand Rahul Modi, huh? Rahul Gandhi.
Well, actually, this cross variation was just the different one.
So brand Rahul Gandhi these days is very positive if you look at it, Anmol. I mean, earlier it was all about Pappu, 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 Pappu.
Yeah, earlier he used to post anything, everyone used to
Eh,
rant him, comment, and
Yeah,
that's
and suddenly people have started taking him seriously. You see, like,
yes,
and you know what? It's not the people who are taking it seriously. It's Congress and the India Alliance marketing themselves very well these days.
yes,
So,
exactly, and that's where
so
their competitors thought it's all going well.
yeah, so till now, BJP was doing extremely well as far as the marketing game was concerned. If you remember, starting from 2014 till the previous election, the election before this one, if you remember, I mean, it used to be a festival for it was like online. I mean, starting with the tagline हम मोदी जी को लाने वाले हैं was the first one, and then second जो दूसरा हुआ था इसके पहले वाला I forgot, उसमें भी there was something. But
Yes, 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 yes.
and
There was some.
how they used to create negative marketing about Rahul Gandhi, like Pappu also became famous, became a meme fest because of the IT cell of BJP,
Right,
right?
right, right.
But this time, Congress and the India Alliance, they learned from their opponents, and they
They have implemented a very good
their
strategy.
own weapon against them.
Yes.
And this time, BJP was super complacent on the digital front. If you see, there was not much coming from their side or digitally.
Yeah, there were no ads.
The
Earlier
BJP
I
IT cell
remember
was
there were so many
completely
ads.
quiet. They didn't do anything. They were actually the first ranker in the class who जो बोर्ड के दिन सो गया. उसने कहा
Exactly.
कि यार मैं तो फर्स्ट आता ही हूँ यार. I mean, मेरा
अब
क्या
देखी
है, अब
जाएगी, हो
देखी जाएगी.
जाएगा.
And he got, instead of 90%, he got 75%, है ना.
Right.
And
And now Modi ji is beating the hell out
there,
of him.
there is there is this failure guy, the guy who has been failing till class ninth, and he gets 60% in board. So it's a matter of celebration.
Yes,
फर्स्ट
exactly.
डिवीजन ले आया बच्चा, है ना. पास ही नहीं किया,
Yeah,
फर्स्ट
this was
डिवीजन ले
when
आया.
is the situation right
But a guy who's been getting distinction on his life in his life and in his throughout his career, and he gets
And
uh,
talking about Modi ji, like he has been the most influential leader. Like the marketing team has done really well in the past, but on the examination day they forgot
you know
to
what,
bring
like this
their
is
own.
what like this is a, I mean, let's talk like digital marketers here, Anmol. I
Yes,
mean, this is a plain case of banner blindness. I mean, you and I, we keep talking to our clients about banner blindness. If you
exactly,
overdo something, people tend to start ignoring it. If you keep seeing the
exactly.
same, suppose you must have seen, Anmol, like when we drive through the street, you keep seeing these BSNL on the bit in between on the
Right,
डिवाइडर पे लगे रहते हैं ना. तो तुम इतना देखते हो ना कि तुम उसको देखना ही बंद कर देते हो. You stop
exactly.
acknowledging it, and which is what banner blindness means, right? I mean, you keep seeing it, keep seeing it, keep seeing. अब ये क्या हो रहा है, रोज मोदी 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 मोदी, ठीक है. अब रोज राहुल को पप्पू 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 पप्पू. अब ये क्या हो गया ना, like this is
कुछ
where
नया नहीं है.
कुछ नया
People
नहीं है,
start
and
to get
marketing and
bored.
advertising is all about bringing out something new. So
Exactly.
this is where BJP got complacent. They kept doing the same thing over and over again. They thought,
Really
हाँ कुछ भी
difficult.
करेंगे, कोई whatever fuck up is there in our state. Bring Modi ji, put him in an open jeep, make him wave at everybody. फूल वूल लोग बरसाएंगे. Obviously, people love him. He is a lovable character. He has a presence. He has an aura. But that can power can only bring so much on the table. Now people are अब यार पब्लिक भी
कुछ नया
क्या
चाहिए.
क्या है,
चाहिए.
नया कहाँ से आएगा इसमें. So I'll let you break down the digital bit of it, Anmol. Like, what is your take on it, and where do you think, especially, even like, let's talk about a little bit about SEO and the social media marketing is big out here, right?
Majorly, the social media marketing was
Uh,
big. Yeah. Like,
so,
I think the IT cell got really confident that Elon Musk mentioned Modi is the most influential and most followed leader, and
हाँ,
then the IT cell was like this. अब तो मेरा काम हो गया.
मेरा काम हो गया. हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
But that's where Congress came into the picture, India Alliance came into the picture, and
हाँ.
yeah, and
They
they
employed Dhruv
put the
Rathi, they
government
employed
high.
वो क्या नाम है उसका, अभिषेक बैनर्जी, that देशभक्त
Yes.
जिसका channel है, he's there, and like they did
If
pretty
you see
well
this
this
time,
time.
BJP didn't use influencer marketing as much as what Congress did.
Hmm.
You see it, like how
Actually,
many
they
influencers.
neglected the digital marketers.
Yes,
That they are
they
influencer marketers.
actually were very
Yeah,
confident that they will just go 400 par like that.
like, I mean, if you look at it till previous election, the influencers who are pro BJP, they were
Yes.
out there. Their channels were like super performing. The SEO was done properly. This time,
Exactly.
even though like
SEO,
I'm
ads.
openly a BJP supporter, you know that I'm an openly a Modi supporter, but I was in my YouTube, I was seeing Dhruv Rathi, I was seeing Abhishek Banerjee. And like
Exactly.
मेरा भी थोड़ा दिमाग बदलने लग गया यार, उन लोग को बार बार देखता हूँ ना मैं. So imagine what kind of effect it could happen have on someone if a person like me can have, थोड़ा सा लगने लगता है नहीं, मे बी राहुल गांधी सही आदमी है. you know तो if
That
हाँ,
influence.
this is where the influencer marketing, that is
And
what influencer
even
marketing means, na?
like I remember in 2019, campaigns were engaging.
Hmm.
Like you used to be engaged. This time there was no
No
engagement. It was
engagement.
like चल रहा है बस ठीक है हो रहा है इलेक्शन मुझे जाके वोट डाल के आना है.
हाँ.
Earlier it was very engaging. In 2019 I remember that everyone got so involved in elections. Everyone got so involved in the ads. Everyone was involved into the social media memes. Even I was there on Twitter always.
Right.
Hashtag Narendra Modi was trending. This time it was
You and
nowhere.
I, we were engaging that time. We were
Right.
messaging. I, as a follower, I've stopped commenting.
Yeah, exactly. Nothing.
There was
There is
nothing
no
engaging. I
engagement.
mean, I hardly remember commenting anything. I hardly
Yeah,
remember having a fight with someone. That online brawl that we used to. It
right,
used to be
right, right.
fun.
And earlier, you remember the campaigns, Incredible India, Man Ki Baat, Swachh Bharat,
Swachh
or
Bharat.
what is that program?
Yeah,
Swachh Bharat. Yeah,
this nobody was talking about the stuff that the government has done.
exactly.
There was
Everyone was just
nothing. I mean,
looking out the other side because that was being promoted. The
yeah.
marketers. from
I
the
mean, it's
Indie Alliance. They were
if you
promoting.
you're right, Anmol. If you look at the 2019, whatever good things that the government had done, it was talked about, like getting people houses. So even the opponent channels, like the channels who are not supporting BJP, they were going to certain places, finding out yes, people have got houses, they have got bathrooms. Like this was there online. People were getting to see.
And
Uh,
this time हमें क्या देखने को मिला, टैक्स बढ़ा दिया,
टैक्स बढ़ा वो
इकोनॉमी
तो
खत्म कर दिया, ये कर दिया, लाइक
हाँ
इट वाज
इस
ऑल नेगेटिव.
it was all negative marketing this time. I mean, people hardly got to see anything good about the government, even though there was a lot of good things that was done.
Yes, exactly. There are so many good
I mean,
things
look
that has
at the
happened.
highways that have been built. I mean,
Yeah.
could have been highlighted so well.
Leave the development part, but also the other part, education also that has been upgraded.
Hmm.
Everything. There is a video from our favorite channel, Think School. So I read the
Hmm.
BJP's report card. I read the Congress report card. It was a 30-40 minute video. I watched both of them, read their papers, and I got to know like many points BJP has improved. Of course, there are some points, but that is what it is. The reality is
Hmm.
like you improve in some points. There is more room for optimization. So I have gone through it fully, but then it was not promoted at all. It was just there on Things School earlier.
Yeah,
I remember in
it was just
2019.
there. Yeah, Think School. Even I follow them, and like they used to
Yeah,
talk about it. Ranveer Alabadi, and I think what they did BJP was like probably 6 months ago. Like Ranveer
yeah,
Alabadi was
6 months ago,
calling
after the Ram Mandir, I think
Jaishankar. Yeah,
things stopped. I think
yeah, they got
after the
complacent after Ram Mandir. They thought अब Ram Mandir बन गया है and we are
and we
done.
have won,
We have won. नहीं, I mean like, but
and they lost there only.
they lost. अयोध्या में ही हार गए. They अयोध्या में ही हार गए.
अपने ही काम में उसमें हार गए क्योंकि बिकॉज competition, they utilized social media very well.
Very well,
Indian
very well,
population,
extremely well.
they are active on social media. Most of them are active on
And you
Instagram,
know
and
what,
India Alliance
Anmol,
is there.
I'm telling you why my change in perspective about Rahul Gandhi is also because see, so far what I was thinking or Congress or the opposition, it's not that suddenly रातों रात मेरा mind change I have
Right,
faith
right.
in them, nothing like that. But so far, what I used to think about opposition, I'll be very honest with you. When I was to have an argument with uh, with someone about BJP versus Congress or whatever, so my reasoning was simple. Like I'm looking at them at these parties as a job interviewer. I am the interviewer. They are here for the job. है ना? So what are the first things that I would look in my potential employee is if he is well groomed, if he is taking care of himself, how well he projects himself, right?
Right.
So here BJP is one candidate whom I see is working super hard. It's taking care of itself. They're well prepared. They're well informed. They know everything. Their marketing is done well. You know, and on the other hand, there is Congress, and then all the rest of the opposition party. They're not doing anything to promote themselves. They're super
Right.
lazy. The party itself is broken. They don't have consensus on themselves. So मेरा उन लोगों
Right.
के बारे में पर्सपेक्टिव क्या है कि जो अपना ही ख्याल नहीं रख सकता है वो मेरा क्या ख्याल रखेगा, है ना?
देश का क्या ख्याल रखेगा?
देश का क्या ख्याल रखेगा? तो यार तेरे को लाइक इफ वी हायर समवन इन obstacle, what do you look at them? If he is unkempt, if you see उसने एग्जाम में रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं कर रखा है, इन्फॉर्म नहीं है, या वो अपना ही ख्याल ठीक से नहीं रखता है, तो उसको रखेगा जॉब पे? नहीं रखेगा. इफ ही कम्स ब्रश करके नहीं आया, कोम करके नहीं आया, तो बोलेगा ना यार तेरा तो ग्रूमिंग ही ठीक नहीं है, तू
हाँ,
अपना ही ख्याल नहीं
अपने
रख
ठीक
रहा
नहीं है,
है,
दूसरे का क्या क्या
तू
करेगा?
तू मेरे कंपनी में क्या काम करेगा?
Exactly.
तो
Like, same thing happened after Ram Mandir. They became lazy. If you see, Congress has done one more thing very well.
Hmm.
Indians are on two platforms: Instagram, WhatsApp. Congress has done brilliantly on WhatsApp as well.
yes.
I used to remember before campaigns, like I follow some WhatsApp क्या कहते हैं उसे, groups या communities, what it is.
Hmm.
WhatsApp updates.
Hmm.
So updates में there are channels. Though I follow Narendra Modi channel, but in the news, like I follow many more channels. So in that I was mostly seeing Congress.
Hmm.
So Congress done on WhatsApp really well. Yeah.
They
And
have
then
done on all fronts. You see
yeah,
YouTube, Congress has ruled it.
YouTube, influencer
Influence
marketing,
marketing,
Instagram,
Instagram.
WhatsApp.
I mean,
Then
earlier it was all
YouTube.
BJP. This time,
This time I will tell you one more thing,
Hmm.
that in 2019 many BJP candidates used to come to my home and ask, talk, engage. This time that didn't
No
happen. There was
engagement.
no one outside my gate.
That's what I'm talking about, Anmol. That let's talk about engagement. Like first time when Modi came into power, he asked everyone how the level of engagement that was there. Let's talk about the gas subsidies.
Right? Gas subsidy.
I gave away my gas subsidy. Imagine the level of engagement. People were voluntarily giving away subsidies. I mean, right now we are complaining about taxes, but that
Right?
time nobody complained. We voluntarily gave away our subsidies. Imagine, without nobody complained. Right now, yes, there might be increase in tax on अपना बढ़ गया है जो भी हो गया है, but people are complaining. This shows the lack of engagement.
Yes, engagement
So
has gone
देख
significantly.
यार, I mean, मेरा क्या है, गैस अब मेरे को डबल पैसा देना पड़ता है. I happily did it, and
But the
it was not
engagement
just
was,
me. There were millions of Indians who did that. They gave
yes,
away the subsidy. Why? Because Modi has said it, है ना? uh, why? Because it is good for the country, right? अभी क्या है, अभी का पर्सपेक्टिव क्या हो रहा है, and how Congress has hijacked BJP's own propaganda machine, is that digital marketing is now, if BJP is doing the same thing, and it is actually good for the country, people paying taxes, but it has been being portrayed as just 2% of the
yeah,
people. Like today, I was listening to news. Kalki Sharma Upadhyay, अपनी first post वाली. She used to be in Beyond News before. I mean, she is the one who's talking about like how only 2% of the taxpayers of the country are bearing the cost for the entire country. So
yeah, and
it
as well as on
suddenly
social media.
the perception change. Look at the perception
Yes, yes,
change.
yes. On social media as well, like, see, the tax regime, there are benefits as well, there are losses as well, and it is mostly, when I had a chat with my CA, he says, "भाई जैसा चलता है, normal है, tension नहीं है,
Hmm.
नया tax regime है, you have to follow."
Hmm.
So that is the thing. But
Hmm.
then it is promoted like कि भाई बहुत टैक्स बढ़ गया, अब 3 लाख वालों पे भी टैक्स लगेगा,
I
5
mean,
पे भी.
imagine.
पीछे का थ्योरी तो पढ़ लो.
It is funny. BJP, who does very well on the marketing front, is not at all worried. I mean, they didn't even bother to fence their court.
Exactly.
They left it open for attacks. I mean, this shows the level of laid backness that BJP has developed over the time. And I think
Yes.
this is जो selection हुआ है, which is, if you ask for my personal opinion, it might sound a little political, but it is good. थोड़ा धक्का लगना जरूरी होता है, तो
No,
complacency
no,
सब में
it
आ
is
जाती है.
important.
It is a plain case of
अच्छा नहीं
rabbit,
लगता और confidence आता है.
खरगोश और कछुए की का रेस. I mean, rabbit and sorry, the tortoise and hare का जो रेस था. खरगोश सो गया, कछुआ जीत गया. यहाँ
कचरा
पे
जीत
वही
गया.
हो गया, हो रहा है
यहाँ वही हुआ. अब तो
अभी.
एंड में थोड़ी सी
Bihar
नींद.
Bihar got a huge good package, but that is not being spoken about. Even though Bihar, being a poor state, needs it, and but that is being portrayed as a wrong thing right now. You know,
Right?
so BJP, who has had been accusing Congress of appeasement, now Congress is accusing BJP of appeasement. See how the tables have turned
मतलब,
suddenly.
yeah, Uno reverse.
Well,
I
there's
call
an
it Uno
Uno
reverse.
reverse, yes. And so this is where Congress is doing very well as far as marketing is concerned, and BJP has suddenly, surprisingly, started struggling in its own game. As far as the marketing is concerned, and it's a very interesting game for us marketers to watch, and a lot to learn over here.
Yeah, in terms of digital marketing, it's a full case study.
The digital marketing front.
Ah. Yeah, like, again, digital marketing is the tool. Not digital marketing, but all over marketing. If I talk about,
I mean, yes,
earlier I
this is
used to
something
see a
you.
lot of
Go ahead.
advertisement on television. Earlier I used to see a lot of advertisement in newspaper.
Hmm.
Earlier I used to see a lot of advertisement on radio. Earlier I used to see. I remember, from a long time I haven't heard a show, but Modi ji used to run a radio show as well.
Radio show as well, yeah.
I think the name is Man Ki Baat only, right?
मन की बात ही तो होता था. हाँ.
Yeah, yeah. And then, also,
चाय पे चर्चा was there.
yeah, chai pe charcha. And then, this time during election, Congress did something very well. I'm not saying like if it's done by themselves, but that EVM thing, it reached
No,
out to the
it
world.
is obviously from by themselves. I mean, so far, I mean, where the credit is due, you have to give it. The EVM thing. I mean, so far, I mean, imagine ये EVM के बारे में शुरुआत से बात हो रही है, लेकिन इस बार उसको ज्यादा प्रोपोगेट कैसे किया गया?
भाई बहुत ज़्यादा किया एंड imagine it has reached to America and everywhere. The campaign was so vocal.
Exactly. And if you look at 2014 and 2019 election, अमेरिका मोदी जी की आवाज पहुंच रही थी. इस बार उल्टा ही हो रहा था. Right?
This time everything like it was turned around. Then one more thing we forgot what BJP did is that they suppressed everyone.
Hmm.
Whosoever used to spoke against them, they used to put them in jail. They used to get them blocked on social media. So you know
Ah,
that
they.
also.
I don't know how far it was true. Whether they were doing it,
But
they were
it was
doing it,
marketing.
but they were doing it in 2004 and 19 also.
Yeah.
जो
But
bullying part है, like
was
they,
marketed so well that in
yeah.
everyone's ear it was like कि भाई ये तो मोदी जी तो अपने वो है हिटलर. ऐसी मार्केटिंग कर
हाँ,
दी.
मार्केटिंग वैसी हो गई. ये 2019 में भी हो रहा था. And
Right.
Modi ji was being accused of being a Hitler that time also. And if you ask me, every party who's been in power has done this, है ना?
Right.
Especially in a country like India, यार ये तो होता ही
Exactly.
है ना? तो I mean, people like common people like you and I, and do you think living in Uttarakhand, you speak against Pushkar Singh Dhami vocally, and you are a person who people hear listen to? You think you will be left alone? No.
No.
Me living in Karnataka, I start speaking against Siddaramaiah or some political DK Shivakumar. If I speak something ill about these people, you think I'll be sitting here? No,
No.
I'll call you up. अनमोल मेरे लिए थोड़ा एक रूम अपना खाली करके रखना देहरादून में. मैं आ रहा हूँ. थोड़ा 6 महीना I have to stay underground.
Exactly. And like these all things were highlighted so much that nobody talked about the economic development even after COVID. Nobody talked about that the things were managed very well. Nobody talked about how Modi ji handled the situations with the nations like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Russia, where
Right.
India was
And
America
not to forget
sanctioned.
how the enemies of India were being found dead by killed by unknown people outside Indian borders. That is something
Right.
people were very happy about, but it was
Exactly.
not being promoted in the right manner. I mean,
Nothing was promoted
yeah,
like this thing. Even I remember in COVID and in Ukraine war, or like
COVID. I mean, what
yes,
was done during COVID? I mean,
yeah,
nothing was
really,
marketed.
nothing was marketed. People forgot about those gestures that Modi ji did.
Right.
Modi ji called everyone outside
Obviously,
from
Manwal,
outside.
that is the point. People
Exactly.
forget. That is why you need marketing.
Yes.
That is why you need marketing, and that is what we are here to discuss. We're not here to discuss what Modi did right or Rahul did wrong, whether Modi is
Exactly.
right or Rahul is wrong. No, we are here to discuss whose marketing was better, and obviously Rahul came out with flying colors.
Yeah, because he
Is
did
Pappu
something
is no
very well.
longer Pappu pass कर गया इस बार.
वो पास कर
Pappu
गया अभी
pass कर
भारत
गया.
भारत जोड़ो जोड़ो यात्रा जितना मर्जी मजाक बना लो लेकिन कर
नहीं
गया.
नहीं, he's doing better,
वो
and you look at the
करेगा.
confidence in the guy's
Yeah.
walk. He has changed.
This time it was very different. He
Last
looked
time
different. He talked different.
talk different. You see the change in confidence, and how. And this is where, I mean, if you look at, I mean, the other day, I mean, let's I'll deviate from the topic a little bit. The other day, my one of my recent favorite crushes is Kriti Sanon. So the other day I was sitting with my wife, and I started speaking where she got suspicious. She was making faces, you got jealous and all. But कौन सा Kriti Sanon मेरे को मिलने वाली है. But talking about Kriti Sanon, she was always beautiful. है ना? But recently, she started getting such lead roles in which she's being promoted and marketed well, and she's looking hot.
Right.
है ना? Kriti Sanon has been there for what past 10 years roughly. है ना? We've been seeing her, and she's always been beautiful. She's always been gorgeous. But people have suddenly started finding her attractive. She's suddenly become the hot thing in the market. Why? Because it's being marketed, it's being projected that way. She's being focused by the camera that way. Same
Exactly.
thing is happening, and so far, Modi ji was the Madhuri Dixit of,
Right.
and now there's no new heroine. Rahul Gandhi has become
The
the
true
new
color
Kriti
from
Sanon,
someone.
है ना?
Yeah.
He's outshining Madhuri Dixit. Yeah. So I mean, it is the field of marketing, and political game has always been marketing. It's always been about the
Right.
spectacle, how you create a spectacle. You look at Hitler. I mean,
Yeah.
He's a bad example, but let's bring Hitler or the biggest dictators or the most powerful leaders who have come in the world. They have created a spectacle around themselves. You know, like
Yes, yes,
the
yes,
way they
exactly.
walk, the way they
But that is
behave.
the quality of Modi ji as well. If you
Modi,
see, like, still his personal brand is so strong that
yeah,
it stands out. Even Elon Musk, I think, recently mentioned again,
yeah. Or
that
you look
he is
at
one of the
Putin.
most influential.
Putin's walk is being captured on camera. The way he
Yes,
walks in his presidential palace. I mean, why is it all done? Like, why is that spectacle created? Because these guys are supposed to look larger than life. You're
exactly.
supposed to make them look. But here, I don't think there was any difference in brand Modi per se. But BJP lost its luster.
Yes, BJP lost its structure, and it never happens just with one person. Even if Modi
Uh,
ji is the most influential person,
Yeah,
but
people
that does
still
not.
loved Modi ji, but you can't put everything on his shoulder. Uh,
Exactly.
he does his
He
own
just,
marketing very well. So I
yes.
think क्योंकि वो खुद सब कुछ कर ले रहे हैं, तो उनका जो चंटू मंटू है वो लोग शांत बैठ गए.
उन्होंने सोचा कि हम क्या
Let's
करेंगे.
let's say what he'll carry out everything, whatever it
And
is, we'll
that's
say
where
Modi.
पप्पू
And
की मार्केटिंग टीम खेल गई. पप्पू की मार्केटिंग टीम ने कहा भाई तुम एक हम अनेक.
and this is where he went wrong.
Yeah,
So
this is where it went wrong because the whole point is that in marketing, like I will do a comparison in terms of marketing.
hmm,
So what BJP did wrong is they relied too much on the personal brand of Modi ji and they didn't did their work. What has to be done. Rather, the on the other end, what the India Alliance marketing team did is they used our Pappu very well.
hmm,
They marketed Bharat Jodo Yatra very well. Like I remember that I was on my Instagram feed. I never used to see many reels of Rahul Gandhi, but they were getting in my suggestions
hmm,
because, like as you were telling me about that, your perception is changing. Same I was seeing because they were posting content, they were pushing it hard,
hmm.
they had a strategy, they were using every channel as possible, and that's where I think most of our clients also get it wrong. Is that as you and I we face is that यार अब तो 3 महीने हो गए कुछ हो नहीं रहा भाई 3 महीने से नहीं होता you have to
तीन महीने से नहीं होता.
continuously
It's a
keep
continuous
on doing it.
process and you have to be
Exactly, it's a
consistent.
process.
It's just like working out. वो एक दिन में
Exactly.
डोले नहीं निकलते. You have to keep
और
continuously
डोले बन गए हैं तो उसके बाद उसको मेंटेन करना
मेंटेन
है.
भी
यहाँ
करना
पे
पड़ता
बीजेपी
है.
ने
सो
मेंटेन नहीं किया.
यहाँ
बीजेपी
पे
ने कहा भाई
बीजेपी ने डोले बना के छोड़ दिया एक्सरसाइज.
हाँ
और अभी कांग्रेस के डोले नहीं हुए बट उन्होंने वेट लॉस किया
weight loss कर लिया and
है.
they have started their lean diets. They are taking good protein shakes, I will say,
हाँ, हाँ.
because the marketing that they have done is I will appreciate it. Like every effort are done on WhatsApp, YouTube especially,
Hmm.
and influencers.
Quite impressive.
Most
Quite
of the
impressive.
impact was done by, like, they are living in the trend, and I think this is the major marketing lesson from this case study.
Right. So
So
yeah.
I
So
think for the next election, BJP should be prepared because if this is the way
I
they
hope
will
they have
do
learned from the
marketing,
lessons. I mean, BJP is known to introspect and improve, and it has been seen that like they've already had a meeting in which Yogi has already said that we got complacent, we got overconfident, and so there was a huge talk show about how there's an infighting. It is not infighting; it is called self introspection, and BJP is known for that. It functions like a corporate firm, and I'm pretty sure uh, the kind of genes that BJP has, and they
they
must be
will give a
already
hand.
be on the front foot by now. And Congress and the India Alliance, who's already learnt their lesson, and they've got the taste of the blood. I'm pretty sure they're also not gonna sit quiet. We have a very interesting match to watch now
Yes.
between and so far it was getting boring, that it was the match was getting one-sided and only BJP was winning. I mean, we as audience, we were complacent. Okay, चलो यार कुछ भी होगा तो BJP आनी है. You know,
हाँ,
why worry? Now it is getting blood chilling and
interesting.
thrilling and whatnot. It's gonna be like India Pakistan match. So
Yeah.
let's hope both the parties do well and they self introspect and improve themselves from within. And
Yeah, let's hope for the best. Let's do the marketing best and
कुछ भी होगा, whoever gets stronger, our country will get stronger with them, right?
yes.
But we marketeers will always gain out of it.
Yeah, exactly. This is a good marketing
There's
technique.
always money to be made out here. There's always lesson to be learned, and there's a lot of
Exactly.
lesson in this election campaign. And like Anmol and I, we always say, जहाँ पे गलती होती है ना, वहाँ पे सीखने को ज़्यादा मिलता है. So we always learn from our mistakes, and we have seen what Congress has done wrong so far, what BJP has done wrong so far, and Anmol, here we should talk about Mr. Biv. Mr. Biv is mistakes,
Yes.
reworks, inefficiencies, breakdowns, and variance. So you should have a database of all these things in your life.
All the mistakes that you have done and what things you have
So
done
if you
good.
have the database of your
And
mistakes, you don't repeat them. All right.
yes.
On that note, episode number
All right.
51 is over.
Yes.
We
And
and
thank you so
we
much
want
for
to
watching.
apologize. We missed our episode this Sunday. Both of us were
Yes.
caught up. This is almost time for IT, our filing, and more is caught up with CA. And
Yeah.
I also have a day job. I'm running around with that. So yeah, so we had to let
But
go
we
of
will
this.
be now continuous.
We'll be continuous. We'll be consistent. We will be like BJP and the new Congress maybe.
We have also learned our lesson.
We have learnt our lessons.
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you so much,
Perfect.
our audience, for
Don't
watching in,
forget
and
to
we'll
like,
meet
say,
back
share,
soon.
subscribe.